This is question 6 from the 2023 Higher Engineering Science paper. So here we are told that an engineer is designing a control system for hair straighteners to maintain a steady temperature. And we're told that a comparator or a difference amplifier could be used in this application. It says describe the operation of these amplifiers in controlling temperature. You've got to refer to both of the amplifiers in your question, and you're given this space to talk about them. The first thing that I would do is I'd go to my datasheet and go down to my op-amp and have a look here at the comparator and difference amplifier. So with a comparator, we have got two-state control. And you can see here that either our V out is saturated positively or negatively. So that means that either the output is fully on or fully off. And that depends on what the input signal is. And the other thing here is that means the output is going to, in this case for the hair straighteners, that means that the output is going to be turned on and the hair straighteners are going to heat up, and then it's going to turn off and they're going to cool down, and then the output's going to turn on and they're going to heat up and go slightly hotter before the temperature sensor gives the comparator this signal to turn off. So you've got a fluctuating output that's going to be a little bit higher and a little bit lower, not constantly at the desired level. So that's something else to think about. So for hair straighteners, the output will be turning on and off. So I'll just say so won't be consistent. The next one, the difference amplifier here, now this is going to give us a different kind of control. This gives us proportional control. And that means that our output varies proportionally with the input and any errors in that as well. The other thing here is that our output signal is going to be quite different from the inconsistency of the comparator. It's going to get closer and closer to what the desired value is. So for our hair straighteners, the temperature is going to be like constantly approaching that, and it's going to remain pretty constant once it does at the desired output. And from those two op-amps there, you'll be able to work out the 3 marks. So popping those in there, Make sure that you refer to both of the amplifiers in the answer though, don't just give the reasons for one.